आयज आमी हिंगा कुत्ताळे आहा आनी हे प्रोपिग्यूल 2 वर्स पयलें आमचो लेट फादर बॉलमॅक्सान रोयिल्लें आनी आमकां बरें दिसता की हें झाड इन द मेमरी ऑफ फादर बॉलमॅक्स ताणें तेज्या खूद हातान रोयिल्लें तें आज इतलें व्हडलें जालां आनी आज आमी साबार 300 ऑड आमी प्रोपिग्यूल्स लायले हे 2024 लायिल्ले हे लायल्ली 2025 दुसरी पडाची आनी ती फाटल्या लायली ती लायन आमी 2026 लायल्या हे कित्याक लायता आमी दिस इज अ नॅचरल डिफेन्स फॉर द अगेन्स्ट सॅन्ड इरोजन अगेन्स्ट टायडल एक्शन सो हांव मागता सगळ्यां कडेन नेक्स्ट इयर वेन एवर वी आर हॅव्हिंग दीस सच इव्हेंट सगळ्यांनी आमकां तेंको दिवचो आनी हात बोट लावन असली झाडां हिंगा रोयची
आसा and in memory of Father Bolmex we have grown mangrove saplings all over the bank of river Zuari. We know that mangroves play a vital role in the ecosystem of the river as well as coastal area. It acts like a natural breakwater. 66% of the wave energy has been reduced by mangroves. It acts like it's a biodiversity hotspot, the spawning ground to a lot of marine species. तशेंच करून a full grown mango tree absorbs pollutant, heavy metals, etc. So on this day we appeal to the forest and environment minister. We have seen that lot of areas has been declared as anti-Z, but as per the tree act, when you cut a tree, we have to grow 3 saplings. So this act is very outdated. Whether people grow 3 saplings or whether those saplings are even grown and what happens after that, we don't know. We have seen so many instances je झाड हिंगा कातुरता and UP बिहाराक रोयता. So there has to be an amendment when the tree is cut, the plants has to be grown in the same place. So this tree act 1984 so amend from 3 to at least 10 trees ropak. So we have seen climate change is so evident. I mean there is a delay of rain and the government has to take climate change, ocean temperature into a serious thing. So आम्ही मागता सरकाराक की जाता तितले अमेंडमेंट हाडचे कित्याक वी हॅव सीन लॉट ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल लॉज हॅव बीन अमेंडेड फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट बट फॉर प्रोटेक्शन कांय जावं ना. सो आम्ही मागता गोंयचे सरकाराक इंडियेच्या सरकाराक की जाता तितले अमेंडमेंट हाडचे एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आनी फॉरेस्ट वाडोवपाक मॅनग्रोव्स वाडोवपाक स्पेशली द प्रोटेक्टेड स्पिसीज दॅट इज मॅनग्रोव्स अँड अदर स्पिसीज.